Hi and welcome back to Lesson 2 in Learn Music Theory for ABRSM Grades 1 and 2. In this video we're going to take a look at note values. So the learning objectives for this lesson is to learn what a time signature is, which we've seen in our music videos but we're not sure what that means yet. How many crotchets we can fit in 4/4, 3/4 and 2/4. We probably don't even know what a crotchet is, but we're going to take a look at that in this video. We're going to learn what a minim is, and also what a semibreve is. So let's start with it. Time signatures. A time signature is just 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, and all those. Just the numbers that you see right after the clef in our music sheets. And they are used to see what notes and how many notes we can fit in each measure or each bar. So how many crotchets can we fit? Let's remember that a crotchet is this black note with the bar going to the top. And in a 4/4, we can fit 4 crotchets. Now this is going to be interesting because in a 3/4, we can fit 3 crotchets. And in a 2/4, we can fit 2 crotchets. So there's obviously a link between the first number in the time signature, 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, and the number of crotchets that we can fit in that time signature. In 4/4, 4 crotchets, 3/4, 3 crotchets, 2/4, 2 crotchets. There is some sort of link in here, although we're not quite sure yet why. So this is 4/4, and we can fit 4 of these crotchets. In 3/4, we can just fit 3 crotchets. And in 2/4, just 2 crotchets. So as you can see, the number at the top, the 4, 3, and 2, mean the number of notes that we can fit. The number at the bottom, the 4 at the bottom, in which all of the examples, it's 4 at the bottom, means that the note that we're going to fit is crotchets. So 4/4 means fit 4 crotchets. 3/4 means fit 3 crotchets, and 2/4 means fit 2 crotchets. Okay, so let's leave this for a second and have a look at what a minim is. So the minim is the other note, or one of the other notes we saw, which is the other note that is similar to the crotchet, but it's white on the inside. And 2 crotchets make 1 minim. So as we know, instead of 1 minim, we can write 2 crotchets. So indeed, 2 crotchets come together to make 1 minim. And therefore, since in 4/4 we can fit 4 crotchets, and 1 minim is equal to 2 crotchets, in 4/4 we can fit 2 minims. So here we have our 4 crotchets, and they are equivalent to the 2 minims. 3/4 is a bit more complex because we have 3 crotchets. But remember, 2 crotchets is 1 minim, and we only have 3 crotchets, so we cannot have 2 minims. We're going to have either a crotchet and a minim, where these 2 crotchets join together to form a minim, and the other crotchet is remaining, or these 2 crotchets join together to form a minim, and this crotchet is remaining, like in here. Finally, 2/4, you just have the 2 crotchets, and they come together to form the 1 minim. Last but not least, what is a semibreve? Well, so semibreve is the only other note that is remaining. It is this note that we saw in the very first presentation, is the big black note that has no bar coming from it, no stem. 2 minims make 1 semibreve, like so. So let's have a look once again at this. In 4/4, we have the 4 crotchets. These 2 crotchets join together to form 1 minim. These 2 crotchets join together to form the other minim. And then these 2 minims join together to form the semibreve. Let's toss these aside and have a look at 3/4. In 3/4, we have the 3 crotchets, and 2 of them come together to form 1 minim, the other one is remaining. We cannot have a semibreve rather, in a 3/4, because the semibreve is equivalent to 4 crotchets. But in 3/4, we can only have 3 crotchets, so the semibreve does not fit in a 3/4 bar. Finally, 2/4 has just the 2 crotchets. They come together to form one minim. And because one semibreve is equal to 2 minims in 2/4, we cannot have a semibreve either. So I know there was quite a bit of information in this presentation, but just take from it that 4 crotchets equals 2 minims, 2 minims equals 1 semibreve, 2 crotchets is 1 minim, and 4/4 means 4 crotchets, 3/4 means 3 crotchets, 2/4 means 2 crotchets. This is the most important thing that you can take from this presentation. And if you're on the second pass through this video and you're taking notes, make note of that. The 4/4 means 4 crotchets, 3/4 means 3 crotchets, and 2/4 means 2 crotchets. So we have seen what is a time signature. We have seen how many crotchets we can fit in 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4, which are three time signatures. We have seen what is a minim and also what is a semibreve. And we have also seen how many minims and semibreves we can fit in each time signature. So, we've learnt a lot in this video. Now we're going to move on to a quiz, and I'm sure you'll do great on it. And then after that, we'll go into the next video in which we're going to write a bit more music using this knowledge. So I'll see you in the quiz and then in the next video.